got me lovesick. I tried to run away but couldn't get far.
Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. So in today's video, I am sharing a plethora of date outfit ideas because sometimes it is just like really tough to figure out what the heck you're gonna wear on a date, especially if it's a first date. So if you are watching this right around the time I upload this, then you should have a ton of Valentine's Day outfit inspiration. I got you, girl. We are going to make sure you look cute. And if you are watching this later on in the year, don't worry, these outfits are not Valentine's Day specific. There's definitely a lot of outfit inspiration for dates all throughout the year, so I got you there too. And today's video is also sponsored by Adobe Premiere Rush. Now, I'm very excited to be working with them. I have talked about them before on my channel. I highly recommend them. I use them and I love them. If you guys don't know what Adobe Premiere Rush is, it is an all-in-one editing app for content creators that is cross-device, allowing creators to edit on any device, anywhere, anytime. So it's super flexible and easy to use. If you are a content creator or you want to be, or maybe you just like making videos, but you feel like you just don't really have the time either to edit videos or you don't have the time to learn an editing software but you really want to make videos, this is the app for you because it makes editing so easy and so quick. There are so many built-in features that immensely speed up your workflow. Transitions, color presets, motion graphics, and so much more. So if you are looking into the content creation space, definitely check out Adobe Premiere Rush. I am also editing today's entire video on Rush, so if you like how it looks, definitely check them out. I will have a link in the description. Alrighty, enough chit chat. If you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe down below to join the family. And with that, let's hop on in. For this first outfit, I wanted to kick it off with something that you could wear on a first date or to something that's nice, but is not too nice. I've paired a black flowy cami with light wash high-waisted jeans and a warm gray coat. For shoes, I'm opting for black slides, but if you wanted to dress this outfit up a bit more, you could swap it out for nude heels and swap the cami out for a silk or satin cami. This is the perfect thing to wear on a first date as it's a nice blend of chic with a little effort thrown in, all while still being casual. You don't have to worry about looking too much or over the top in this one. Just like Goldilocks, it's just right. I know, bad joke, but moving on. The essential date outfit go-to is the classic little black dress. A little black dress can carry you through anything, so it's always good to have one or two tucked away in your closet for those times you're just stuck on what to wear. I have 3. But I promise they're all different and I wear them all. For this date scenario, I am picturing something nice, but still fun, maybe like a party. I'm going for a shorter hemline dress. If it was something a bit more formal or conservative, I would go for a longer hemline. And for any dress, I always wear some form of spandex underneath just because you never know what can happen. It's always just good to be on the safe side. Anyways, paired with this dress, I'm wearing a pair of nude heels to complete the look. Now, if you're not big on dresses, but you like the idea of a little black dress, scoop one of these pieces up. It's a little black dress lookalike. That's actually a romper. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, it's a romper. A romper has the current day version of hype that the skirt did way back when. I don't know about you guys, but the skirt was it for me. Back in elementary school, that was my go-to. So if you're more comfortable in literally anything other than a dress, a piece like this could become your best friend. Okay, so for this next outfit, we are leveling it up quite a bit with something you would wear when you are going somewhere fancy. Like, ooh, he got money fancy? Girl. Kind of kidding, but also not. I am wearing this teal satin-looking dress with an asymmetrical ruffle going across the bodice. A dress similar to this is the perfect evening wear as it looks chic, makes you feel beautiful, and it's got that subtle hint of sexy going on. This is something I would wear to a cocktail party, an upscale restaurant, or something in the way of a charity, a benefit, or a gala. You know, I've never been to one of those, and I don't really see myself going to one really anytime soon, but maybe some of the people watching this are true functioning members of society and will need to attend one sometime and need some outfit ideas. So basically in this outfit, you will bring the sauce. For our last, more dressy kind of outfit, I'm sharing this white eyelet tie front dress. I wore this on the dinner date my husband took me on for my birthday last year, and I shared it with you guys, and y'all loved it. I seriously have never ever gotten so many questions about an outfit, so I thought I would share it just in case any of you guys have been looking for something like this. For shoes, I've paired this dress with these taupe colored block heels. I love this dress for something in the summer, maybe even just a nice afternoon out. This is something I would wear on a date to like a rooftop bar for drinks or something. I feel like that's a vibe. For our next few outfits, we are dressing it down, and I am sharing a few outfits for some very popular dates. For outfit number 6, I am wearing a basic white tee, my most comfortable pair of jeans, and a pair of sneakers. For many activity-based dates like bowling, roller skating, ice skating, you have to wear the activity's footwear, so make sure you either wear or you bring along a pair of socks. So that way you don't get into the gross and uncomfortable situation of not having socks to wear. I like to opt for socks with a fun print, like these ones with these adorable corgis on them, because they show your personality, and it's also just a fun conversation starter. To complete this outfit, I'd add a moto jacket. I love an outfit like this because it looks casual and low-key, but it still looks like you put effort into looking nice for the date. Now for this next outfit, we are keeping the white tee and swapping out the bottoms to a brown button-up skirt. I love this look. I think it's so stinking cute. For our completing third piece, I'm throwing on a denim jacket, and shoes-wise, I'm going for white sneakers. I love this look for most casual daytime dates, especially if there's a lot of movement or walking involved. For example, if the date was sightseeing or going to an amusement park, I would wear this. It's fun, potentially Instagrammable in case we're going to be snapping any pictures, and most importantly, it features comfortable sneakers, so my feet are not going to be shriveled lumps by the end of the day. In outfit number 8, we are switching to a pair of high-waisted mom jeans and a cozy knit sweater. I'm tucking the front of the sweater in to ensure that my frame doesn't get lost in all the fabric, and I'm cinching it all together with a brown braided belt. This belt is so versatile, 11 out of 10 recommend. For shoes, I'm going for a pair of white slip-on sneakers that I thrifted in Taiwan, and that is the look. This is another great outfit for adventuring around and just hanging out. For example, on the date, we were going to be walking around a cute old downtown area, just poking through shops, maybe grabbing some lunch. I think this is a great outfit for that. I would even wear this on a Target date. Target dates are the best. If you find someone who just likes to go to Target and walk around with you, keep them. They are a national treasure. If your new boo is sporty, 1, good luck, and 2, if you're stuck on what to wear on your next fitness type of date, outfits 9 and 10 are for you. For outfit 9, I am wearing a lightweight Nike pullover paired with black running shorts and these incredibly comfy workout sneakers that I found at a Kmart going out of business sale for $10. I think this would be a great thing to wear on a hike, a walk on a trail, or perhaps even a bike ride. Why anyone would ever want to go on a bike date is beyond me, because I think I would actually wither away a quarter through the date, but honestly, that's just me. If you're like me, have no fear. This outfit will at least make you look like you know what you're doing. Outfit 10 is great if you're doing some sort of active class together, Pilates, SoulCycle, yoga, boxing, etc. I am wearing a loose red flowy tank with black leggings and white sneakers. I love this outfit because it features a sleeveless top, so that way if you sweat gallons, your date as well as the rest of the class won't be able to judge you because of the lack of armpit fabric. See guys, I am always thinking ahead. I got you. Now, if you're going on a sports date, baseball game, football, etc., a simple thing to wear is a pair of jeans and some type of jersey or sports team tee. Because I'm involved with following zero sports, the closest thing I have to any of that is a baseball tee with the YouTube logo on it. I do think regardless of any sport though, a baseball tee is a good go-to as it has that nice blend of sporty and cute. With this outfit, definitely wear your comfiest sneakers because you might be standing a lot. Also, consider that at sports games, sometimes people spill beverages. And if this is an outdoor sports game, definitely wear a pair of sunglasses because protecting your eyesight should always be important. Unfortunately, I apparently don't own any non-bougie sunglasses anymore because this is all I had, so yeah, but you guys get the idea. For this next outfit, I would wear this to a casual nighttime date, something like a basketball game or a show/concert. I am wearing a gray tee paired with black jeans, a cool little belt, and a denim jacket over top. For shoes, you can definitely wear whatever you want based on your personal style and your preference, but I think a pair of Chelsea booties ties this outfit together perfectly. I think it looks really cute. This is one of my favorite outfits to wear. I just love how it looks and how confident I feel in it. If you were going for a super cool girl look, you can definitely swap out the denim jacket for a moto jacket. Outfit number 13 is a lovely thing to throw on for any sort of picnic, park, or beach day date. Actually, most daytime dates in the spring or summer really. I am wearing a printed spaghetti strap mini dress with a denim jacket and a pair of brown braided sandals. This outfit captures the essence of summer and ensures that you will look good, but also that you won't be getting heat stroke. Again, if you don't like the dress option, you can swap on over to a striped tee and a pair of white shorts belted at the waist with my trusty brown braided belt. To tie it all together, I am pairing this outfit with my brown braided sandals. This outfit is also great for any of the aforementioned dates of number 13. It's very simple, put together, and pretty. If you were going to dinner and a movie, think casual dinner, like tacos or an Applebee's. Outfit number 15 is a good go-to. I'm wearing a red sweater, dark wash denim jeans, my brown braided belt, and a pair of camel colored flats. I'm also rolling the hem of my jeans to elevate the look a bit more and show off my cute shoes. I quite love this look. I think it's a very easy, classy outfit to just put on in a jiff. If it's a bit on the chilly side, I definitely bring along a coat or jacket. For me, I'm adding this camel colored wool coat to keep me warm. Another option that is great for a movie date is the classic white tee, belted jeans, and a pair of sneakers. Again, I'm rolling up the hem of the jeans to add a little something to this typically more basic outfit. Now, if you're trying to secure your date's jacket, hoodie, or coat, this is a great outfit to wear. If it's temperate, you might get chilly, but you probably won't get cold. Just enough that it's evident that you're not warm. This is a level 10 mission, ladies, so if you're gonna do this, good luck, and may the odds ever be in your favor. If your date invites you to anything family related, family dinner, meet the parents, a family birthday party, this outfit has got your back. I'm wearing a flowy navy tank top that is fairly conservative, an oatmeal colored cardigan, and a pair of jeans. Depending on the occasion or the formality, you guys know what I mean, of the family event, you can either wear a pair of classy looking black slides or a pair of nude heels. This is something that makes you look nice, and the best part, you don't have to worry about your significant other's mother judging you for being too showy. If the family event is during spring/summer, more casual, or perhaps a daytime outdoors activity like a pool day or a barbecue, an outfit that is always great to throw on is a maxi dress. The maxi dress that I'm wearing is a red Hawaiian print wrap dress, and I think it looks so lovely. This is another safe option to wear around your significant other's family because it's flattering, pretty, and it's not too low cut or short. It's a good balance that is wearable and comfortable. And our final family option is more for formal events or holiday get-togethers because that is always terrifying. Am I right, ladies? The outfit I'm wearing is a red wrap dress that features a subtle sparkle and a ruffled detailing. This dress is perfect to wear for the same reasons of being cute, classy, and more on the conservative side. The hemline is a bit longer, which I really like for holidays because at holiday parties there are always small children running around, and with that comes tripping, stumbling, and occasionally being knocked over. So with that longer hemline, you don't have to constantly be on the worry. We are winding down to our final two outfits, and these are both for times when you just need a good gals night date. Of course, it all depends on whether you're dressing cute or not, so send that text, ask away, because you don't want to dress cute if they're not dressing cute, because that's always awkward. If you are dressing cute, you're showing up and showing out, throw on your favorite dress. The one I am wearing is this gorgeous black and white polka dot wrap dress, and depending on what you're doing or where you're going, you can either wear heels or flats. I am opting for a pair of black slides because when I'm going out with my friends, I don't want to worry about my feet being sore or someone stepping on my open toes. And finally, for our last outfit, if that text comes back saying your friends are planning on looking chill or whatever, something easy to throw on is a cute top, a pair of joggers or sweats, and a pair of sneakers. This is an ideal outfit for a cozy night in, maybe something like a movie night, featuring a run to the gas station for snacks. You guys know what I'm talking about. That is a wrap on today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys like these outfits. If you guys have any Valentine's Day plans coming up, I hope these outfits really help you, because I feel like there's just so much pressure with Valentine's Day sometimes. So if I can help relieve some of that pressure by giving you guys some outfit ideas, I hope I did that. If you are going on a first date or just any date anytime soon, that you guys get some outfit inspo. Have like the best first date or second date or third date, whatever date you're on. I hope you guys have a good date, because having a really bad date is definitely one of the worst things. It's just not great. If you guys recreate any of these outfits or you wear them on a date, please tag me or send it to me, because I would just love to see. I like when you guys recreate my outfit ideas. I think it's so cool and it's just really neat. So tag me, send it to me, so I can tell you guys how cute you look, and I can be your personal hype woman. As I mentioned at the beginning, this entire video was edited on Adobe Premiere Rush. So if you guys liked how it looked, definitely check it out. The link is in the description box. Honestly, this app is so great for content creators because it really does speed up your workflow. And if you don't want to spend a lot of time editing videos, seriously, this is the app for you. It's available on iOS, Windows, and Mac. Android is coming, so keep an eye out for that, Android users. It's nice and it's convenient, and I highly recommend. That's about it for today's video. We are just going to end on our quote of the day segment, and today's quote is a good one, and it says, "Not all storms come to disrupt your life. Some come to clear your path. There's beauty in the struggle. Another door is always going to open. Things are not always as they seem, guys." Keep that in mind as we go into the week. Thank you again for watching. Happy Valentine's Day if you're watching around this time when I post. And if not, just like overall, good luck with your date. Let me know if you guys have any wild date stories in the comment section down below, because I would love to hear. I love you guys lots, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Look, I've been on the grind for so long. These parallel echoes say hold on, but I'ma need it right now. I like Monica, I'm so gone. So gone. What my dream like? What? Blind man with a keen sight. I'm just trying to get my green right. Funny how the wrong things always seem right, but never mind on the clean night. Kid go